In Laravel applications, sometimes we want to do a specific task for an entity in a specific times. Like in an e-commerce project, we have a basket for each users, and we want to empty their baskets, or we want to send them an email and tell them, hey, your basket will be expire after 24 hours. Check in and complete your purchase. Some hooks, or sometimes we want to clean up our database and do not have wrong reports on our database. I have an example that we had on the castle game I want to show you here. Uh, it's the game that we have been working on for 2 years, and there are some wanderings and also Vikings here, which are our NPC on the system. But these NPCs has some rules, like when we are spawning an NPC in a map, the map is 1,000 multiplied by 1,000 cells map, and it's very huge for rendering and working with the data. The rule of these NPCs and wanderings are when you're spawning an NPC, if nobody attacks the NPC in 12 hours, we have to move that NPC. So there are some solutions here that we could have to solve this issue. I made a very simple example of that issue here with a Laravel and Livewire application. Let me run this. And as you can see, there are some dots here which we are considering as NPCs here. And in each 5 seconds, an NPC will be spawned on this map. And if you are not attacking this NPC, it will be moved in next 6 seconds. So it's been spawned. If I don't attack, it will be moving. And as you can see, it will be moving. So right now, I've made a very simpler solution for this issue. And that solution is schedules are getting killed. So that simple solution is to use a schedule for this. Like I have two schedules, one for app spawn and pp and another for move entity, which these two are two commands here, as you can see, move and spawn entity. If we take a look at the running time of the schedule, you can see in a while there are some very huge effort timing here, as you can see, 400, 500, 200, and the others. It's because when we are moving the NPCs, we are moving all them together, and it will be cost too much from the system to move all of this. So in the Castle game, we couldn't use this approach because we had a lots of NPCs and we couldn't risk the system and our servers to move lots of them at a time. So Laravel has some ability here, gives us some ability here to solve these issues. We have queues, and there is an ability in queues called timed queue. We can delay a queue to run in a specific time. So I just want to refactor this application to have a better performance with the queue and also the timed queue. Let's see together how we need to refactor this application and how effects it will be on our system. First of all, I have been configured Horizon, and you can see we have the Horizon dashboard here and it's active. If you don't know how to configure the Horizon, there's a video I'll show you at the top. You can watch that video later or right now. it's good if you pause this video and go watch that and set up your project, and let's do things step by step with me. So I have a command here which will moves all my idle entities at the time. So I have to make a job here and say, okay, do not run run and move them one by one. Not at all. Not at all. So for doing this, we will make a job here with this command and move idle entity job. Okay, as you can see, we have it here. So I will copy the command from here. In this, I will copy the construct first. Also, we need the entity itself. The entity say it's protect entity and not this. Okay, here first I want to check that we shouldn't run the job in a failure array. So I have to check that $this entity updated at. Okay, I want to check if now if in second is bigger than 6, it's less than 6. If it's less, we need to return, and we have to fail it. So go through new exception, entity is not idle. Okay. Yes, I want on failed. Okay. No. I don't want to log this. I want to dispatch the job again. And I have to say self dispatch. Yes, but no. Dispatch delay. Okay, we had a diff and I want to just dispatch it in this way. So it will be run in the right time. And let's write the logic here. And we get the position and we update our entity here. So it would be fine. But something is wrong. On the delay, we have to give an int or the date time. We can pass the carbon. Let's see how it works if I give it an integer job delay. Okay, it says delay in seconds, so it would work. Everything would be fine. Now let's dispatch this job in each time we create an entity. So we are making an observer here, observer for entity observer. Okay, let's register the entity observer here by passing observed by entity observer class. Okay, it would be fine. And we are going to entity observer. We say on create public function created. We need to dispatch the move idle entity job, dispatch dispatch entity in delay of job allowed, yeah, in 6-second delay. To it like that. Okay. So let me just go to the, I have to disable this schedule. So I will go to console here, roads console, and disable this schedule. And let me just clean up the database, say artisan migrate fresh. I don't want to see it. Okay, so right now if I run the schedule run, each 5 seconds it will makes let me refresh here, it will make something here, and at the horizon we have to see the jobs about moving, but it's not there. Let me check. And now it works. I just cleaned up the memory and horizon again. Let's just run the schedule. And as you can see, we have a dot here and we have a job here, which is pending. Okay, completed. And it's been moved, the green dots there. The schedule is getting not good. So just the only things that we have to fix here is, you can see they're moving. Our dots only moved once. So on completed of the job, we have to say to execute the job again after completing. So we are just dispatch the job again with a delay of the 6 seconds. So this job will be executed in 6 seconds again. And we have a problem here, which we should add 6 minus here, because we want to run each 6 seconds, and with having this different in second and subtract from 6, it would be give us the time that the job should be executed again. So let me just clear everything and run it again. Okay, we can run a reschedule, refresh this page, and as you can see, we have a dot here. Okay, the schedule is not working here again, and this dot is here, and it should be moving. Okay, I need to rerun the horizon. So again, okay, so we have a dot and another. It's moving. The red one should be moved. Yeah, it works, and everything is fine. And also we can scale this system as much as we want without hesitation of getting blocked or disrupt our, or occupied all of our server resources. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So see you again in the next video. Thank you.